you've been a while. Just keep running like you have and this race is yours.
Look who came crawling back. I'm glad you're here, Sugar Plum. You brought me luck last time.
Make sure you smoke them and get that ride back. I'll take care of the rest.
Ready to donate another car to the Razor Plum, baby? It's go time.
Taking the show. It's got me hypnotized. Everybody step aside.
You'll never hold on to the #1 spot. Not with me on your tail. And if you want these, you're gonna have to take them.
It's over, Razor.
It ain't over until I say it's over.
Where's the other guy?
He got away.
You mean to tell me the most wanted street racer happened to get away? What about the blacklist?
They're through.
I want every single unit after the guy.
Everyone?
Everyone!
Vehicle was last seen heading westbound past Hickley Field. Supervisor indicates he wants a quadrant set up east of the suspects.
In the cyclone, yes, I know. The red beam